So, as the common saying goes, the sooner, the better, right? Investing can be tough when you have little knowledge about finance and you are working a full-time job. Many videos out there about investing discuss some alternatives that yield really low interest, like saving accounts, or that require a lot of time and effort to locate a good deal, maintain it, or generate taxes, like, for example, owning real estate. So today, I want to share with you my personal vision on why cryptocurrency is the safest and most efficient investment that requires the least amount of effort. If you hear this completely, you will learn new ways of investing in crypto with virtually no risk of price fluctuations and producing high interest rates. So probably you've heard about Bitcoin before and how many people have become millionaires with it. However, the other side of the coin holds true as well. Many people have lost all their savings in Bitcoin due to its high fluctuation price. Recently, price has been quite stable around 10 or 11k. However, there's no guarantee that this price will maintain. As any other asset, Bitcoin is subject to speculation, greed, and fear. This can make the price fluctuate at any moment, and if you decide to sell in a bad moment, you can possibly lose a large sum of your savings. So, if all crypto assets are volatile due to their unregulated nature and speculation from the market, why should you consider investing in them? So, before going into detail, please consider subscribing, ringing the bell icon, liking the video, and if it's possible, commenting something, anything, as this helps overcoming the algorithm, which makes it really hard for small channels to get noticed. Well, going back on track, there are two main reasons on why cryptocurrency is the best investment you can make on your 20s. The first one is that it provides a lot of benefits that fiat doesn't. It is really easy to store and transport wealth. It is really easy to move a seed phrase and a password or your hardware wallet into any place on earth with an internet connection and a crypto exchange available in order to move your funds and use them to spend into anything you want. Nobody can restrict or freeze your funds. Another benefit that crypto offers is that it is really private, in the sense that to create a wallet, you don't have to input your personal information at all. Nobody can really know who owns which wallet without it interacting with an entity that has your personal information stored, such as a certain exchanges out there. Also, being decentralized, it is really hard to censor, as its database is distributed among thousands of computers around the world. Also, most of them have a fixed supply, so no entity can just create more or duplicate them. So because of all these features, it is probable that some cryptocurrencies are going to gain mass adoption, increasing their price exponentially and making a great asset to invest in. Also, it's really simple and easily accessible and will most likely yield higher return than any investing account out there. However, for those of you that are a little bit more risk adverse and would prefer to have their savings placed into a fiat coin such as USD dollars, there is a great crypto investment alternative out there that is just booming this year: DeFi. So what does that even mean? DeFi stands for decentralized finance, and it means, in really simple terms, that regular banking and finance institutions are being replaced by computer algorithms in order to make them more predictable, private, and easily available to invest in. So among many DeFi protocols out there, some of them serve the function of a traditional hedge fund, but with the big advantage that they don't rely on speculation that an asset will go up in price, but they yield their interest from risk-free platforms such as collateralized loan protocols, or from fees generated from trading stablecoins. So this means it is practically no risk in losing your funds. One of the most popular protocols out there is yearn finance, which allows you to invest a stablecoin based on dollars and yield interest rates up to 20%, which is really high, and even competing with some of the most prestigious hedge funds out there, such as Berkshire Hathaway, funded by no other than Warren Buffett. So in conclusion, this is probably the safest way to invest in your 20s on the crypto space, with virtually zero risk of losing your savings. Worst case scenario, you may earn a bit less interest rate, but totally worth it for the safety provided by investing in stablecoins. If you are interested on how to invest step by step in yearn finance, just Google it. Just kidding. Just let me know in the comments below, and if this video gets at least, 1,000 likes, I'll make the best step-by-step tutorial out there. So without further ado, I hope you really enjoyed this video. Please give it a like, and I see you on the next episode from the crypto space.